Welcome back to our online access video tutorial series. In this video, we will demonstrate how to transfer your funds as well as view your transfer history. The first thing to do is make sure you're logged in, which you can check by looking at the top right corner of the screen. Transferring funds can be done in two ways, either by selecting the blue Transfer My Funds button in the middle of the screen, or by selecting Make a Transfer from the gray menu on the left-hand side. Next, you will be asked to select the beneficiary you would like to transfer the funds to. This can either be a beneficiary you have previously saved and found in the drop-down menu, or by creating a new beneficiary by selecting the blue Add a New Beneficiary button to the right. Choose the type of currency you would like to transfer and the amount. The total amount available to you is displayed for your convenience. You can either continue to complete your transfer or cancel and return to the main menu at any time. Finally, you will be brought to a screen where you can click to confirm the transfer or click to go back if you would like to make any additional changes. Once submitted, your transfer will now show in your transfer history along with your past transfers. To perform another transfer, simply click the blue Transfer My Funds button below. You can view your transfer history at any time by clicking the Transfers History button in the gray menu on the left-hand side of the screen. And that concludes this tutorial video on how to transfer funds and view your transfer history.